can barely see under you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my first time in Ikea and I am super excited to see what Ikea has. So let's go shopping.
That's what eating nice. You can have your little blanket, same thing. It's not bad. Put them down. This one is really nice. Oh, 1,969. This is a kitchen. Rennie, you come and sit here. See if you like it. Not buying it though. If it's alright to go right at the little.
Relaxing.
Okay. This is a nice shoe box. You know, I need something as you enter the house. You can just put your shoes. Yeah, this would be nice. It's a little pricey though, just for shoe. It's a nice little patio set. The table is for $59 and the chair is for $45. It's nice. It's something to go with. It's a folding bed, Renia, and it has a wheel. So when persons, want to stay over, I could pull out my bed. This is nice.
But it's 500.
Yeah, $529.
The cactus.
These are what slide doors to make a good storage, maybe for the kitchen or somewhere in the living room. Oh, it's not bad. And it is for $179. This is another one too that is nice. Shelving like for books. Okay. I'm coming. Nice shelving. This is not bad at all. This is not bad at all. This is a nice shelving. This. It's not too bad. And this, I think it will come to what? About 150, 69 plus 79. That's the taxes. It's not bad. Look at it, guys. This is $105. they're comfortable. Stools for 95, and then we have those for 155. Ooh, this is for 170. 95. Oh, it's not. It would need like 3 or 4 to go right at the little island. This is really nice. Oh, $49. Come on, Neil.
Is that yours?
Oh,
Is that yours?
yes, it's mine.
Oh.
You want to say hi so far? Okay.
I want to. And goodbye. Thanks.
Here's the colors.
I don't know. What? What?
Oh. That looks nice. I wanted something else for extra storage for the kitchen. And this one is not bad at all. The color is not my favorite, but wow. Wow, this is a nice little kitchen. Very nice. Stainless steel. This is the cafe, guys. So what we're gonna have? Guys, I have finished shopping. I'm very cold. I'm outside. And my sister-in-law, she had to drive the car around because we eventually bought something. Yeah, so yeah. Guys, outside is so cold. The item that we bought, it's a little too big for the car. So what we're gonna do is pay for delivery and let them deliver it. I think maybe tomorrow or Saturday, I'm not sure. So that's what we're gonna do. So we went back inside because we had to take it out to see if it can fit in the car. We put down the seat. We thought, you know, it would hold, but it can't hold. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. We're trying to arrange for the delivery, and then we should be on our way. Excuse me. I don't think I'll check in back with you guys, but if not, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, guys, comment down below if you see anything that you like from what I showed in Ikea today. Actually, it was my first time visiting Ikea. It was a lovely experience. I can say I'll be back. What else do I have to tell you guys? I don't think I have nothing else to say. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.